Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Lord's Group of Schools online teaching program. Today we are going to learn about numbers and number system. In the first chapter, knowing our number, we are going to learn these topics. First one is estimating and comparing the numbers. Estimation and comparing the numbers. And the next topic is estimation and rounding off the numbers. And the third one is place value and face value. And fourth topic is introduction to large numbers. And the next topic is use of commas. And next one is place value chart. And next one is Indian system of numeration. And next one is international system of numeration. And next one is large numbers. How the large numbers will be useful in our day-to-day life situations. So, in the first topic, what we are going to learn comparing estimation and comparing the numbers. In this topic, we'll compare some group of numbers are given. We'll be given some group of numbers. From them, we'll compare and we'll write which is a smaller and which is the greater number. For example, 15,872, 14,946, so 17,058, 8,026. So four numbers are given. From this we have to find, from these two numbers we have to find the smallest number and the biggest number. So the comparison should start from the first. We'll read the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. It is 15,872. It is 14,946. It is 17,058. And it is 8,026. So the comparison should start from the thousands place, because the last number only thousands we have. So since it is the smallest number among the given numbers is smallest number is 8,026, and the greatest number is 17,058. Like this, we will, whenever some group of numbers are given, we will compare and find out the smallest and the greatest. The comparison, this is called estimation and comparing the numbers. Not only some group of the numbers, we can, when we have been given two numbers, from them also we can write the greatest and the smallest. For example, 3746 and 3674. We have been given two numbers. Now we have to compare these two numbers and put appropriate symbol, less than symbol or greater than symbol in between them. So if you see, here also we have 3000, here also we have 3000. The thousands place we have the same digits. Then we have to compare the hundreds place. We have hundreds place 7, here it is 6. Obviously 7 is greater than 6. We read this as 3746 and this as 3674. So 3746 is greater number, greater than the 3670. So put greater than symbol in between them. So this is comparing, this is how we are comparing two numbers and we can represent which is greater and which is smaller. And next some numbers we have been given. Then from them we can write ascending order or descending order. 376 1470, that is 1470, 15,551 and 2,964. Some numbers are given. From them we have to arrange them ascending into ascending order, that is nothing but smallest to biggest. So ascending order. Smallest to biggest. From these numbers, first we'll read the numbers. First number is 376, 1470, it is 15,551 and the last one is 2,864. When we compare, we have the smallest number is 376 and very next number is 1470 and next 2864 and at last the greatest number is 15,554. In this way we can arrange the given numbers in ascending or descending order. So descending order, reverse. In this descending order we will write the biggest or greatest first. Greatest to smallest. So in the given four numbers, we learned the 15,000. We know that 15,551 will be the greatest. So we'll write that first, 15,551, and next 2,864, and 1,470, and lastly the smallest number is 376. This way, how we are arranging the given number, by comparing the given numbers, we will arrange them ascending or descending number in the descending order. And also, when we have been given some numbers, we will write them in words. For example, 72,432. So first we will read the number. We are writing the number in words: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. It is 72,432. We will write the given number in words. How? 72,000 400 and 32. Like this, when a number is given to us, we will write the given number in words. In reverse, we will sometimes, the number is given in words, we will write the number. For example, 500 and 9. So how many thousands are there? 62,000. So write 62,000. Then go to hundreds place. Hundreds. How many hundreds we have here? 5 hundreds. Right? 5. 500 and 9. There is no 10. So keep a 0 in the tens place and 9. So we will read ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. It is 62,509. Be careful when writing the places. Read the given statement carefully and write the numbers. And not only this, sometimes we will form the numbers by given digits. For example, 5, 7, 0, 3 and 6. These are the 5 digits we have been given. From these digits we have to write the greatest number and the smallest number. Not only that, from them we can find the difference between the largest number and the smallest number, which is formed by these digits. For example, greatest number by using these digits. So whatever the digits we have been given, from them find out the biggest digit. So we know that 7 is the greatest digit among the given digits. Write that first, then go to the next. It is 6, then 5, then 3 and it lost 0. This is 76,530. And similarly, smallest. So we are writing the 5 digit numbers which are formed by this system. So when we are writing the smallest number, some students will write 0 is the smallest number. They will write first, then next one is 3, next one is 5, next one is 6, next one is 7. But remember that if you write 0 in the first of a number, that is invalid. That is invalid count. It will be treated as only 4-digit number. For example, if you write your roll number 01 will be it is 1, 02 will be only 2. So whenever you write 0 in front of any number, it is invalid. So it will be treated as only 4-digit number. So the better you write except 0, whatever the smallest digit we have been given here, that is 3. Next, very next, we can write 0. After that, 5, 6, and at last the greatest number. So it will be 30,567. In this way, we can write the numbers by using the given digits. As we know that numbers will be represented by the symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are also called as digits. And the smallest digit is 0. The greatest single digit is 9. If you add 1 to the greatest digit, we will get 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. And if you see the greatest, it is smallest 2-digit number. And similarly, if you write 9 and 9 together, it will be called as greatest 2-digit number. Similarly, can you say the smallest 3-digit number? it will be 100. First you write it is 100. Similarly, smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Smallest 5-digit number will be 10,000, and so on. Similarly, we can write greatest 3-digit number, greatest 4-digit number, greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999, and greatest 4-digit number is 9999, and last greatest 5-digit number is, how we read, 99,999, like this. And today these what the topics we learn: comparison of number, estimating the, and finding the smallest and biggest numbers, arranging ascending and descending order, finding the greatest and the smallest number between the two numbers, and writing the numbers in words and words in numbers. And after that, we found that we learned that how to write the given number by the digits, how to write the numbers by given digits. And tomorrow we will learn estimation and rounding of the numbers.